Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you the 3 ways to import media file in Filmora video editing software. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. One of the simplest and first way to import media file in Filmora 13 is that you can simply drag and drop your media file into the timeline. Like this particular file right here, what I'm going to do, this particular video file right here, I'm going to simply drag the file and I will drop it into the timeline right here. It's as simple as that. Then you can see it right here in the timeline. Okay, then alternatively, I can simply import media file in another way. So one of other way to import media file is to come to the particular button right here, click on this plus sign right here, and then this is going to pop up. From here you can simply select your media file. So the media file can be picture, logo, or video. Like this one right here, I'm going to select this. I'll press Ctrl key down and select the second one. Then I'm going to drag this particular video and then I'll click on open. So by this, I was able to drag at least 3 different files right here, such as video, picture, and the logo, as the case may be. So alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus I on your keyboard. While you press Ctrl plus I on your keyboard, this is going to pop up. Then from here, you can simply select the file, the media file that you want to import into the. I'm going to select this logo right here. I'm going to select this, and I'll click on open, and boom, everything load up into the Filmora video editing software. So basically, this is one of the best 3 ways to import media file into Filmora video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.